the viral doner recipe, that juicy, flavorful, perfectly spiced doner kebab. Inspired by the legendary Turkish doner you'd find in Istanbul. It tastes just like your favorite late-night takeout. Start with 1 kilogram of minced beef. For spices, we have 2 tablespoons of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 2 teaspoons of cumin powder, 2 tablespoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1 tablespoon of garam masala, 1 teaspoon of onion powder. Add it to the meat. Add 3 tablespoons of yogurt, 1/4 cup of oil, and 1/2 cup of chopped cilantro. Take 2 medium-sized finely chopped onions. Squeeze it to remove excess water. Mix it together to combine all flavors for 3 to 4 minutes. This helps create that classic doner texture. Let it marinate for 30 minutes in refrigerator. To make lavash bread dough, mix 2 teaspoons of active dry yeast with 1 tablespoon of sugar and 1/4 cup of water. When it is activated, add it to the 3 cups of flour. Add 1/2 cup of warm milk, 1/4 cup of oil, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Start mixing and keep adding water. Use 1 cup of water, plus more, if needed, to make soft dough. Knead on floured surface for 5 to 8 minutes. Let it rest in a greased bowl for about 1 hour until doubled in size. Cover the baking dish with aluminum foil. On a parchment paper, drop around 1½ cups of marinated meat. Place same size of parchment paper over it. Then press it with rolling pin. You can experiment with thin or thick layer. Remove the top parchment paper. Carefully roll it. You can make 3 or 4 rolls. On another baking tray, place for big mild green chilies, 2 onions cut into small pieces, and 4 tomatoes cut into 4 pieces. Sprinkle some black pepper, salt and oil over it. Bake meat and vegetables in a 400 degrees oven for 20 to 25 minutes. Use this time to make white sauce. Add 1/4 cup of yogurt to the bowl, 1/2 cup of mayonnaise, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Mix it to combine. Set aside for later use. To make red chili sauce, add 1 tablespoon of vinegar to the blender, 1/4 cup of water, 1 small green chili, for garlic cloves, 1 medium tomato, and 1/2 onion. Add 1 tablespoon of red chili flakes and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Blend until smooth. Set aside for later use. It's now 25 minutes. Our meat and vegetables are ready. Transfer the baked meat to another baking sheet. Remove the parchment paper. Break it into small pieces. Transfer baked vegetables to the same baking dish. Last step is to broil it in the oven, but first we will prepare our lavash bread. Our dough is ready. On the floured surface, divide the dough into halves. Shape it into small balls, around 40 grams each. If you want to make a bigger size, make it 60 grams each. Flatten the ball, press it with fingers, pinches the edges. Make a thin circle with the help of a rolling pin. It should be around a 9-inch circle. On a preheated pan, cook on medium heat until it cooks completely on both sides. Use a bigger pan if you like bigger bread. Make as many as you need. You can refrigerate the dough for 3 days. Enjoy this lavash bread to make shawarma or bake it with some meat. The options are unlimited. Now everything is ready. Broil the meat and vegetables for 5 minutes until the meat is slightly golden. After 5 minutes, it will look like this. Pour 1/2 cup of melted butter over it. Place your bread on the counter. Place the meat, tomatoes, onions, and chili. Pour the white sauce, the red chili sauce, and jalapeno pickle if you like. Fold from the sides and roll it down. Cut through the center. And there you have it, your homemade viral doner kebab. You can make a platter by adding salad and French fries. Juicy, perfectly spiced, slightly crispy on the outside. If you love this recipe, click the like button, subscribe for more recipes, and comment below what I should cook next.